Setting lock blocks access to machine settings until an authorized user enters the correct password. To manage setting lock, start your web browser. Type the machine's IP address in your browser's address bar. In the login field, type the machine's password and then click Next. Click the Administrator tab. The options in the left navigation bar will differ depending on your machine. Click either Restriction Management or Setting Lock. The option that appears will differ depending on your model. Select On in the Setting Lock section. If prompted, type the 4-digit setting lock password. Click Submit. The system indicates that setting lock is now on. Setting lock is now enabled. Unauthorized users cannot change machine settings from the device's control panel.